guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. And today I have a special friend with me. Her name is Julie and she's here for a reason and she's going to be a part of this video. So Julie, would you like to tell us why are you here?
Yeah, I'm here to get a nice makeup for my baby shower party.
So I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get started. See you all soon.
I'm going to apply Smashbox Radiance Primer all over her face. Then I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and I'm going to use the orange color from it to hide all the dark circles and all the black spots on her face. And I'm going to use my fingers to blend it. Now I'm going to apply L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade Vanilla Rose all over her face using the damp beauty blender. Now I'm going to apply NYX HD Concealer under her eyes on the bridge of her nose, chin, cupid's bow and forehead. After this I'm going to contour her face using NARS Medium Dark Foundation. Then I'm going to apply the Hoola Bronzer from Benefit. I'm going to set the makeup using Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. I'm going to apply the same concealer on her eyelids to have a clean canvas to work on. Now I'm going to start with the eyes and I'm going to use 3 palettes for the eyes. First will be the Tarte Unleashed palette, the second would be the Huda Beauty palette and the third would be Tarte Pro palette. Now I'm going to create a wing using Tarte 2-in-1 eyeliner. And we're going to put some false eyelashes to make the eyes look bigger and I'm going to put some mascara under the lower lash line. I'm going to apply blush using the Tarte Blush Bazaar palette. Then I'm going to use a highlighter from Becca in the shade Champagne Pop. I'm going to put it on the cheekbones, on the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, chin and on the forehead. I'm going to do her eyebrows using the Tarte Pro palette. Now I'm going to use a Tarte Unleashed palette to highlight the brow bone. Now we're going to put some color on her lips and I'm using this lipstick from Kiko Milano in the shade Roseate. Now I'm going to use the same shade that I applied on her eyelids for her lips using the Tarte Unleashed palette to give that gold effect. And I'm going to finish it off using the lip gloss from Rimmel. And the lips are finally done. Now I'm going to set the makeup using Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And the final look is ready.
Again, so this is the final look. Julie, did you have fun?
Yeah, I had a lot of fun and I'm really happy with the final result. So guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to her channel.
See you all soon. Bye bye.